how would you say in French, it isn't perfect, but it isn't terrible? Ce n'est pas parfait, mais ce n'est pas terrible. Ce n'est pas parfait, mais ce n'est pas terrible. Food, glorious food. Now, if you go on holiday, I presume you'll want to order something other than chicken or turkey. So, I've created a list of food-related vocabulary for you to read through. I've called it a vocabulary expansion sheet, and you can find it at the end of this course. Along with the sheet, you'll find some videos where I go through each word and show you how to pronounce it. I've tried to think of as many food or drink-related items as I possibly could. But if you do find anything missing, let me know and I'll add it in. As you work through the 3-minute French courses, you'll find more of these vocabulary expansion sheets. And what they'll do is help you to add book to your French language. You have been building the structure of the French language with the words and phrases I've given you so far, and you can now decorate it and embellish it with the words from the vocabulary expansion sheet. Now, obviously, you shouldn't aim to try and learn every single word on the list, as it wouldn't be very useful and it would take a very long time. Instead, start to build your own personal vocabulary by learning a few words you think you'll use regularly. For example, if you really love cheese, you can find and learn the word le fromage, which means the cheese. Add a few words every week or so, and pretty soon you'll have a nice collection in your brain. Now, let's just have a quick recap of the words that we've learnt in this lesson so we can go on and practice them. We've had le poulet, which means the chicken. La dinde means the turkey. Le and la mean the. Bon and bonne mean good. Délicieux and délicieuse mean delicious. Parfait and parfaite mean perfect. Mauvais and mauvaise mean bad. And terrible means terrible. It's time now to practice what we've been learning in this lesson. How do you say in French, everything is terrible? Tout est terrible. Tout est terrible. The chicken is absolutely delicious. Le poulet est absolument délicieux. Le poulet est absolument délicieux. The chicken is absolutely terrible. Le poulet est absolument terrible. Le poulet est absolument terrible. The chicken is very good. Le poulet est très bon. Le poulet est très bon. The turkey is very good. La dinde est très bonne. La dinde est très bonne. The turkey is for her. La dinde est pour hen. La dinde est pour hen. The turkey is perfect. La dinde est parfaite. La dinde est parfaite. The chicken is delicious. Le poulet est délicieux. Le poulet est délicieux. The turkey is for me. La dinde est pour moi. La dinde est pour moi. The turkey is delicious. La dinde est délicieuse. La dinde est délicieuse. Now let's do some reverse translations. What are these French sentences meaning in English? La dinde est très bonne. La dinde est très bonne. The turkey is very good. Tout est terrible. Tout est terrible. Everything is terrible. Le poulet est fantastique. Le poulet est fantastique. The chicken is fantastic. Le poulet est très bon. Le poulet est très bon. The chicken is very good. Le poulet est parfait. Le poulet est parfait. The chicken is perfect. Le poulet est absolument terrible. Le poulet est absolument terrible. The chicken is absolutely terrible. La dinde est délicieuse. La dinde est délicieuse. The turkey is delicious. Le poulet est très bon, mais la dinde est extraordinaire. Le poulet est très bon, mais la dinde est extraordinaire. The chicken is very good, but the turkey is extraordinary. And you can see in this example that the adjective extraordinaire ends in the letter E, which means it doesn't have a separate feminine version. So we use extraordinaire for masculine nouns and feminine nouns. What does this sentence mean? La dinde est pour moi. La dinde est pour moi. The turkey is for me. Tout est toujours terrible ici. Tout est toujours terrible ici. Everything is always terrible here.